Thank you.
Give it up for Varun, man.
Honestly, this is very special. Anything that I can do for you guys, anything I can do for you guys means a lot to me. First of all, thank you to the members of the media that have gathered over here. I believe there's some other event. I mean, Mumbai में तो event होते ही रहते हैं रोज. But thank you for coming here. सब भाई लोग उधर सब लोग ठीक है बाहर लोग? एक नंबर सब लोग? So what I want to say is actually पहले तो डिज्नी और मार्वल का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली ऐसी फिल्म के साथ जुड़ने के लिए. मैं मार्वल का बहुत बड़ा फैन रहा हूँ. आई हैव सीन ऑल द अवेंजर्स. आप सबने देखा है पहले जो अवेंजर्स आए, थॉर, कैप्टन अमेरिका, आयरन मैन, ऑल दीज मूवीज. तो मैं भी बहुत बड़ा फैन रह चुका हूँ. मैं भी थिएटर में फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो जाके देखता था. एंड जब ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली कि मैं कैप्टन अमेरिका का वॉइस ओवर करूँ तो बहुत ही स्पेशल था, बहुत ही कठिन था क्योंकि मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी नहीं है जितनी होनी चाहिए. तो जब भी मैं बात करता था मुझे बोले हैं बोलो, हैं बिंदी डालो, तो मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ती थी. हैं बिंदी के साथ. बट बहुत मजा आया मुझे करते हैं क्योंकि आई हैव नेवर प्लेड अ रोल लाइक दैट. कैप्टन अमेरिका तकरीबन 150 साल है. आई थिंक ही इज बीन लिविंग ऑन.
तो ये बताइए 150 साल पहले बच्चे कैसे थे? ऐसे ही मतलब लाउड थे?
बच्चे तो ऐसे ही है जैसे अभी है.
अच्छा.
आई थिंक वैसे ही स्वीट है, भगवान की देन है. एंड आई बिलीव देयर आर सम किड्स ओवर हियर फ्रॉम मेक अ विश फाउंडेशन.
यस.
और उनकी विश थी मुझसे मिलने के लिए. अब मेरी विश है कि मैं उनसे मिल सकूं. सो इफ यू कैन हैव देम
प्लीज.
दे वेरी ब्रेव दैट दे हैव कम टुडे. सो कैन वी हैव द मेक अ विश?
I think you should give them a big round of applause, guys. Come on. A big round of applause.
She likes writing, so she's gifted me a pen. Even I'll write, I promise you after this. What's your name?
Priyanka Prafuljala.
Very nice meeting you. You're very, very pretty. You're going to go watch Captain America. आप जाके देखोगी?
हाँ.
Thank you. और कौन है? Hi, how are you? अरे wow, thank you. आपका नाम क्या है?
Meet.
Meet. How old are you, Meet?
Fine.
5. So big you are. You're looking stronger than Captain America also today with this shield. You'll show us the Captain America pose. Can we hear it from Meet, guys? I'll sign and give you this before I go, I promise. Both of you. I believe there are some more kids who are here today as well. So can we just have them on stage first? We'll do the photo op with them and then we leave. आ जाओ आप सब लोग आ जाओ प्लीज. हम लोग ने ये किया था. मैंने एक्चुअली ये इसलिए किया था ताकि मैं बच्चों के साथ जुड़ सकूं क्योंकि जैसे सुपर हीरोज बच्चों के बहुत फेवरेट कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. एंड आई नो कि कैप्टन अमेरिका, द मार्वल फिल्म्स आर सो पॉपुलर विद द किड्स. तो मुझे लगा ये बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी होगा इन सबसे मिलने का.
Most importantly, Varun, most importantly, why Captain America, yeah?
Oh,
Iron Man is my personal favorite here. But Captain
even,
America,
even I love Iron Man, but
हाँ.
I think personal as an artist, real life में मैं बिल्कुल कैप्टन अमेरिका की तरह नहीं हूँ. I think कैप्टन अमेरिका बहुत mature है, बहुत sober तरीके के इंसान है, और मैं बिल्कुल इस तरीके से नहीं हूँ. तो इनका किरदार निभाना और भी कठिन था मेरे लिए. Because to have that kind of control in situations, to have that kind of maturity to show when you're facing adversity was really difficult for me. So I think that's why I chose to voice Captain
and
America.
आप एक Marvel fan रह चुके हैं, and you know मैंने ये observe किया कि Captain America के पास basically ज़्यादा powers नहीं है, तो वो उड़ नहीं सकते, उनके पास funky gadgets नहीं है, Robert Downey Jr. Iron Man की तरह. फिर भी Captain America से एक old school लगाव है, but he's old school and yet modern.
But that's exactly why I like him, because उनके पास एक चीज है जो सभ्यता, जो कल्चर है, जो आई गेस ओल्ड स्कूल चीजें हम कहते हैं आज के टाइम में, बट आई थिंक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि उसे लेके हम लोग आगे बढ़े. तो आज के यूथ के लिए, आज के बच्चों के लिए, आई थिंक देयर इज नो बेटर रोल मॉडल देन हिम, और देयर इज नो बेटर रोल मॉडल टू हैव देन अ पर्सन हु स्टिक्स ऑन टू हिज कल्चर, हु स्टिक्स ऑन टू हिज kind of beliefs from the past.
Well, I think that's very well said. So, anybody in the press have any questions? Please answer. Please ask. You guys have questions? Please ask with regards to the film.
Very good.
Okay, so two quick questions. First of all, any plans with Disney to meet the real Captain America ever before it releases?
You know,
in
I
India?
actually had the opportunity because they were down in Singapore at the moment, and Disney did organize that for me to go there and meet the entire team over there. But I unfortunately couldn't. I'm prepping for another film that I'm doing.
You left that
I
so that you
couldn't
can't.
do. I unfortunately couldn't. But I think Disney actually surprised me today because they got the team over there to see the trailer that I've done and see some of the work that I've done. And I think Chris Evans has even sent back a video, which I think will get unveiled tomorrow, if I'm not wrong. I think tomorrow what he feels about the trailer is going to be unveiled as well.
Yes, and we also know that he really loved it. So are you excited about that?
I'm very, very excited about that, obviously. That you mean that he liked it?
Yes.
No, that means a lot to me because eventually it's his character and he's brought it to life in so many other films. So I'm voicing it here in Hindi, so I have to keep the tone the same, the kind of the things he believes in, that has to come out in my voice as well, and the honesty has to come. So I think one of the things he said that I was very honest in the portrayal, so I think that does mean the world to me. I think that's why I did it. It's not for any other reason. And like I said, for the kids who are going to go and watch it and who go watch it, it's all for them.
Okay,
What's interesting is that he's got a lot of Hollywood connections. The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, and Chris Evans. I mean, you've gone to a different league.
I think my original association with Hollywood would always be with The Rock, and that's the one from the heart. And obviously where Captain is concerned, where Disney is concerned, because of ABCD2, then I get this opportunity as well because of being with Disney. It's been a wonderful association, so I get these opportunities over here as well.
Actually, on that note only, do you think that's the only reason Disney took you, because you work with Disney, or maybe because Captain America is indestructible? He's been living for so many years, 150 years, and you are indestructible on the box office also.
I don't think that's the reason. I
That
think
could be one of the reasons.
I feel the reason is the kids connect. That's what Amrita and Sid told me, because he's a very popular character with children, and I think these movies do so well with children and teenagers and adults for that matter. But yeah, I think I don't know. I think my association with ABCD2 was there, did really well, and I guess post the success of Jungle Book, this is opening new grounds. I've never done something like that creatively, so it was a challenge for me, and I enjoyed doing this whole thing. The process creatively was very challenging and a lot of fun for me.
Okay, apart from Captain America, Marvel has got many superheroes. Which is your favorite one? Don't say Captain America.
No, no. Honestly, my favorite used to be Thor.
Used to be. After voicing this.
After Captain America, my loyalties is with Captain America right now. But I have to say, Spider-Man is amazing in the film. So all of you all should watch out for what Spider-Man does in this film. Spidey is, like, the character they've created is really funny and it's really cool.
Where does he come up with all the quirks from? I love the quirkiness that he has to his character.
It's I think what they've done in this film by getting him in, it just opens up the whole film. It's not only a Captain America film for me. It's a lot bigger. It's almost like a new Avengers that's going to come out, I guess, on May 6th.
Varun, after, of course, like you just mentioned, after Jungle Book, it has opened a lot of avenues in India. Do you think now India is slowly opening up to more Hollywood movies? And of course, being a Bollywood person, do you think that also connects with the audience?
You know, just to give you an insight, when you look at the worldwide collections of Jungle Book, the #1 market was China, and after that it was India, with China doing 50 million and India doing 20 million. So India is bigger than a market like Russia or Mexico or Brazil or even UK for that matter for these films. So as a film watching country, I think India is probably #1 or #2 in the world. I feel we can do a lot more better because हमारी आबादी इतनी है तो अगर सब लोग जाके फिल्म देखे तो कोई फिल्म बुरी कर ही नहीं सकती है. But I guess we are starting to make better and better films like this year. बहुत अच्छे फिल्में निकली है हमारे भी. So I'm hoping कि 2016 बहुत अच्छा साल रहेगा हमारे लिए.
एक और
Varun, here, straight.
Anji, hi, how are you?
Hi, very good. Varun, given the kind of collections that Jungle Book has made at the box office, we haven't seen any films releasing alongside it even
Correct.
touch or come closer. Do you
Correct.
think Hollywood films are actually beginning to pose a bigger threat to our films?
I think and I believe with Jungle Book is an Indian film because we can't forget Mowgli. I think we've all grown up on that tune. I've watched the cartoon as a child as well. So I think Jungle Book जब बन रही थी तो हम लोग सब ने adopt कर लिया था. हमें लगे कि हमारी पिक्चर है, हमारी देश की पिक्चर है. And it is a story which is based in India actually. So in that sense, I guess that is also one of the reasons, and it's a fantastic film. But obviously the Indian audiences do want better cinema today, do want better visual effects. But I think that's changing slowly. Yeah. I think I saw Fan recently, and I think the VFX in Fan were amazing. I mean, you can't question the VFX in Fan.
वरुण, मेरा 2 सवाल है आपसे इस
हाँ
फिल्म
जी.
से अलग. कल आप नताशा के साथ फिल्म देखने आए थे, आपको पता था कि मीडिया
मैं
बाहर
आपके
है,
साथ
लेकिन
जाने चाहता था, आप आई नहीं मेरे साथ.
लेकिन आपको पता था मीडिया थी.
आपको कैसे पता कि मैं गया था?
जी,
कोई
हमने
फोटो है आपके पास?
आप पीछे के
कोई
गेट से
proof
चले
है
गए.
आपके पास?
जी है, क्योंकि
किधर
हम
है?
खड़े थे.
But
आप पीछे
अरे
के गेट से
बट
चले गए.
कोई आपके पास कोई वीडियो फुटेज है, कोई फोटो है, दिखाओ, मैं मान लूंगा.
अच्छा, आपका बर्थडे का प्लान क्या है नताशा के साथ और क्या प्लान
बर्थडे का प्लान मेरा नताशा के साथ नहीं बट बहुत लोगों के साथ है. मैं आपके साथ मनाना चाहता था पर आपने दूसरी लड़की का नाम ले लिया और दिल तोड़ दिया मेरा. पर नहीं, बर्थडे के लिए आई थिंक लेट्स सी, आई प्लान टू डू समथिंग विद सम क्लोज फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टफ. So I'm going to call them over and do something, but not really big, not really small, something in the middle.
Hi, Varun.
Last question,
Over here. You know, Shah Rukh sir recently said that Bollywood is surviving because of the superstar system over here. And the day there will be no superstars, Hollywood will take over Bollywood. Do you agree to that?
I don't agree that Hollywood will ever take over Bollywood. I think, first of all, I don't like the term Bollywood. I think the Hindi film industry is very original in its own sense. And we have some great, talented people over here. I don't think what we do, I believe they can't do. What they do, we can't do. But it's art, you know, at the end of the day. And I think that we have a lot of artists over here, and we will always survive because an artist will always have a voice in a country like India. So I don't think they'll take over us in our own country. They won't, right?
Absolutely not. I don't think so. Well, thank you very much, Varun. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
And
I'm going to come and meet all of you all before I go.
yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.